connecting on that lob. You may see that a lot this season off the bench. But J.B. Bickerstaff, one of the big things he has to deal with is trying to find spacing beyond just a three-point line as Tobias Harris drives in there.
Tobias. Anthony Melton. Oh! Look at the block as Moody was sent away. Throwing some beef inside. Dylan Durham ran the floor, flipped it in, and drew the foul.
That's one of his. They're pretty high on him for good reason.
Year 3 just gets better and better. Moody faked the pass and buried the jumper.
Cade Cunningham fighting over that screen, just kind of stopping the pocket after the little fake. It's like Moody is just getting more and more comfortable. Game's slowing down for him.
Cade and Moses know each other from high school days.
Mount Verb.
D'Anthony Melton helping out Moody on that rebound. The Warriors want to run, but they want to be efficient in transition. Podziemski. I think his catch and shoot three-point shooting is way. Melton. Hey. And patient there. Beasley went for the steal and protected. But you highlighted it. Cade is really their ball handler, and they have to get it to him to kind of initiate everything. Now, he can call his own number, and Cade Cunningham dropping that in. I like the no call there.
I'm good with it.
That pass stolen away. Warriors with 4 turnovers early. Cade Cunningham. He is fouled as Podziemski could not get in front of him. And the field goal and the foul and the free.
He's still playing in the NBA. He did well for himself.
Oh, his son is playing in the NBA too.
It's amazing. What a story.
Looney's worked on that shooting. And being encouraged to take those
8% from three-point range last year.
Buddy Hield from near the logo, and he strikes the 3.
Look at his movement they're getting out of it, though. The ball screen
combined there. Looney. Spin. Oh, and he finishes with the right hand.
Counter moves.
Friends business venture.
Get there, right?
How about GP2 and Looney? Gary a little slow to get up. That always cause for concern. Kyle Anderson missing the floater. Buddy Hield. This guy can flat out shoot. I mean, we know that by the numbers. We know that if he played that like a shortstop and just stole that away.
That's that pick and roll defense.
He Waters open in the corner. That makes you feel good. Warriors are 6 of 7 on threes.
For basketball, and then get the right sound for concerts. Because what you're saying is right. You got to get the right, like the vibration of the sound. We're getting technical now. But all the promoters tell us the sound's great. There's Moses Moody. Come out to Thrive City and get a bite to eat and hang out. Beautiful park opening across the street soon.
Looney did well to catch that and finish.
To us to have
Oakland Arena.
Yeah, that's right. To have events on both sides of the bay all weekend. But it's really special. This is the kind of events we always wanted to host. And to have an NBA All-Star game in the Bay Area for the first time since 2000. We talk about winning championships. We talk about doing great things in the community. We're lucky to have incredible support in the Bay. We want to give that back and support the Bay Area community.
GP2 knocking in the 3.
Like that corner forehead
tonight. Not a lot of people can go to all the regular season games. Give the bobbleheads to the people checking out the preseason games. I think it worked out perfectly.
I like that.
Yeah, it's well said. You know, we want to make every game an event. You know, there's 41 shirt on, no problem.
It would fit. Wait a minute, we can wear sweatshirts now?
Only Kalena. Just the Valkyrie sweatshirt.
Nice. Kaminga hitting the 3 in cup. And I think the league really outdid themselves in terms of the 4 teams that the Warriors will start with. Is that November 12th game going to be a big game on the schedule?
How excited are you about the basketball product this season? You got a super deep team here, and everybody talked about how well Moses Moody and others have played during training camp as Kaminga knocks down a 3.
We're the 6th team. So if we can improve on 46 wins, get to 48, 50, 52 into the 50s, be a top 4 seed in the West, we like our chances.
Tobias Harris, nice delivery to Duran.
They know where they're going to get their shots more and more as they gain experience.
Trace Jackson Davis, he sent Tobias away, sent Duran away.
Twice.
TJD with 2 blocks, Podziemski 3, and he got it. That's what you're looking for all season. Games, I'll ask again. When Steve is saying different combinations, what's he looking for? Is it guys passing to each other like that, Melton perfectly, or is it set? Cunningham's got Trace on a switch, and that's when he wants to go against a big guy, but Melton was kind of lurking to help out. Ivy rocks into a 3, so. Okay, Cunningham. never saw Cade Cunningham play. That would have been 4 of them are moving screens. It's not great, but you can live with that. It's when they're only one is Trey setting up Pajemski to put it up and in.
The thing about the moving screens is they're not live ball turnovers.
Correct.
Right? It's going to stop. You got a chance to get your defense set so they don't hurt as badly.
Ivy fading and rimming that home. Bingo will have Tornado.
This group, you can kind of reach deep into your playbook, see you can process information.
Moody, how good did that corner 3 look? The West this year is as head knocker a conference as we've seen them in many years.
The wild West.
Cade Cunningham putting that up and in.
I like that.
He's going to score 20. He's going to get you 7-8 assists. Lob and hammered down by Trace Jackson Davis.
They're clear.
You know, we were talking about Buddy Hield's made the most threes in the last 5 years. Steph is second. But you know, Malik Beasley and Tim Hardaway Jr. are 10th and 11th. As Kuminga, Malik Beasley, they're making a lot of threes for a lot of years. Cade Cunningham. I don't think you could have guarded him any better than that. He's just 6'6".
He can score. He can score in so many ways, all 3 levels.
Kuminga setting up Buddy Hield. We're seeing some growth from J.K. Who are you?
I don't know.
You hadn't been to Chase Center at a concert. You haven't been to a hockey game. Yeah. How many places do I have to take you?
I need to really figure out who I am.
We'll go down and see Macklin for sure.
That wants to attack the basket. He's not really a great 3-point shooter, so you close out to him short if you can.
Buddy Hield in the corner 3.
So you better close all the way out to that man.
Well, I was at that game because Rick made sure Draymond came back from that back injury 2 years ago, and you know, to the point where he went player of the year, setting up Lindy Waters. And if you want an assist, throw it out to Lindy Waters because he can flat out shoot.
And it's a quick, and he got it off with plenty of time. Doesn't need much space.
So Detroit, we got Wendell Moore getting an op.
Kind of reminds me, and these guys are better shooters, R.J. Barrett, Cam Whitmore, just that kind of power attacker slasher.
His body type is a lot like Barrett's. The backup in Philly became kind of a cult figure there. But basketball, Paul can play.
Can.
Yank back in the 3.
Sasser.
And Sasser can shoot.
Off the dribble, too, now.
Face. And it's not like Trace is a small person.
No.
Jackson Rose putting that up and in. Warriors scoring in transition. And Detroit will take time. There's still almost 7 minutes left in an NBA game, and that one thrown away as Reese Beekman heads the other way. And Beekman puts it up and out, but tipped up and in.
That's why you run. Kevin Knox. Preach effort.
Kevin Knox. Not that 3 long. Lindy Waters kept it alive. Beekman good hands. Quentin Post, nobody set of the shot clock, and Post. That is what he does for a 7-footer, as he can shoot.
Well, the bench is reacting to him. He blew a kiss to the sky.
Boy, a little floater, and he banked it home. Javonte McCoy. That turnover. Beekman right in to lay it in.
Trying to be active out there. The Mavericks signed me, and they had me play with their G League team, and he was there playing.
Well, he knows a lot about the game. He's got a great way with people, and he's going to make sure you put in some effort.
You could tell even then that he was going to be probably a pretty good coach, so because he was always vocal.
For a 7-footer, he definitely is a 3-point shooter. Runner up and in. Jenkins dropping that in. So Dennis Jenkins, the one.
There's a lateral quickness for you.
Knox with the rebound. And you know what that means?
Yeah.
Nothing.
This has been a solid showing, though.
Now, it's the level of play is Henson. Like Henson dropping. McCoy, he dropped it off inside, and that'll finish off all the scoring. So for the Warriors,